Section 1. Your mindset is everything. The first step on the ladder, your mindset. Buying your first home isn't just a transaction, it's a transformation. This is the moment you stop building someone else's dream and start building your own. It can feel like a mountain, paperwork, jargon, dollar signs. Here's the secret. Every homeowner started where you are now. Electric excitement and paralyzing fear? Completely normal. This guide is your roadmap, a no-fluff checklist for clarity. We break the massive goal into small, confident strides. From checking your credit to saving that first 100, each step builds momentum. You'll learn the language, understand the numbers, and know the questions, and who to ask. We make the complex simple, direct, and achievable. You don't need a finance degree or a secret password. You need a plan. The promise is clarity and control. Your checklist becomes a North Star. No fantasies. Real actions to move from renter to owner. From foundational money moves to the final signature. You'll know each next step. This is your personal playbook for a big, rewarding game. Banish the thought that it's too hard. That's the old way. Your new mindset. Planner, saver, strategic player. Every tip is another tool. Decide to try. Let's go. Section 2. The financial foundation. Building your buying power. Start in the privacy of your finances before listings or paint colors. Create a brutally honest budget. Paper, spreadsheet, or app. Track every income dollar after taxes, then every expense. No estimates. Go line by line through 3 months of statements. This isn't judgment. Knowledge is power. Check your credit. It drives your rate and the lifetime cost. Pull reports, hunt errors, dispute fast for a quick boost. Pay on time, keep balances under 30%. Don't close old accounts. Limit new credit. Show stability. Reliable, consistent, low risk. Section 3. The money machine. Unlocking your down payment. This pile proves skin in the game. Today, many programs allow low down payments. Bigger down means lower payment, potential PMI avoidance, stronger offers. Separate and name your goal. It works. Automate and pay yourself first. Non-negotiable. Budget separately for closing costs. Most common surprise. Tax refunds, bonuses, gifts, side gigs. Route them straight to the goal. Make temporary cuts. Every dollar brings you closer. Keep going. Your golden ticket is a mortgage pre-approval, not a pre-qualification. A lender vets your documents and conditionally approves an amount. It's the most powerful tool in your house hunt. It sets your budget and proves you're serious. Shop lenders, rates, APR, and fees. Prepare your packet, expect a credit pull and DTI review. Your letter states amount and type, usually valid 60-90 days. Do it before serious hunting. You shift from dreamer to qualified buyer. All right, go get that pre-approval. You can't win without a great team. Agent and lender. Your buyer's agent works for you and is typically paid by the seller. Get referrals, value neighborhood experience, interview at least 3. Understand their process, comms cadence, and market strategy. Choose someone who listens and earns your trust. A good lender is responsive and proactive from start to finish. They reassure the seller's agent and help keep timelines safe. When they gel, communication flows, deadlines are hit, problems solved, less stress, smoother closing. Find the right people and trust them. Section 6. The hunt begins. With your A-team ready, make a strategy before you scroll. Define deal breakers and flex points. Be specific on what you won't compromise. Wants guides smart compromise later. Use portals for feel. Rely on MLS for accuracy. Go beyond the surface. Inspect what matters. Focus on what you can't change. See the bones. Document each home and test the neighborhood at different times. Ask more questions. Be diligent. Be thorough. You found it. The one that fits. Your offer is a package. Price, closing date, financing, contingencies. These safety clauses protect your deposit if conditions aren't met. Schedule the inspection immediately. Never skip it. Learn from a neutral expert. Get a detailed report. It's your negotiation superpower. Fix now, take a credit, or cancel if costs are too high. No home is perfect. Avoid hidden catastrophes. So yeah, don't skip it. In escrow, 30 to 60 days, finish strong. Appraisal protects you and the bank. Confirm clean title, no liens or claims. Secure homeowners insurance before funding. Set transfers for closing day, 3 days prior. Review every number and ask about discrepancies. Verify condition, then sign the mountain. Pay down payment and costs. Walk out with keys. Congratulations, you did it. The keys are in your hand. Savor it. Protect yourself first. 3 to 6 months of expenses. Life happens. An emergency fund turns crisis into inconvenience. Add maintenance to your monthly plan. Save about 1% of price per year for upkeep. Budget, credit check, save down payment and closing costs, get pre-approved, assemble your A-team, hunt smart, use contingencies, close strong. These are the blueprint steps. Begin now. Open a spreadsheet and build your budget tonight. Next, call a broker. Start pre-approval tomorrow. Small actions build momentum. You know the steps. Take the first one now.